Who manufactures this plane?
It's a Russian manufactured.
It's a Russian manufactured airplane.
Yeah.
So, hello fellow aviators. Welcome back to Aliong'o Aerosphere, your hub for African aviation insights. From technology and market trends to careers and investment opportunities, join us in exploring the future of African skies. We are here at Wilson Airport, one of the busiest airports in Africa. And we are visiting various African aircraft operators, specifically charter and private owners. And as you can see in the background, we have different types of aircrafts. And so we'll take a tour and I will show you around. And I will have the opportunity to talk to one of Wilkin, Westwind Aviation, who gave us the opportunity to see their hangar, and they will be kind enough to share a word. So join us in the trip. We'll just show you the airfield, and Mr. George here will tell us what type of aircraft that is. Mr. George, what is that type of aircraft over there?
That one is a Beechcraft B200.
That's a B200. And could you tell us more about what is 5YHYS? What is that?
That's the NAPIS registration. All aircraft are registered by the country. For Kenya registered aircraft, it's 5 Yankee. You go to Tanzania, it's 5 Hotel. You go to Uganda, it's 5 X-ray. So the other initials now is as per the aircraft.
Wonderful. Appreciate that, Mr. George. And would you tell us more about what you do as a maintenance organization or as an operator here in Africa?
Especially what we do exactly now, particularly in maintenance. Ours is to make sure the aircraft are serviceable, ready to fly. So we do maintenance on the aircraft, and Mr. Aliong'o is the one who now supplies us with the spares.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And you point out some of the aircraft that we see in the background here, like this one. What type is it, and why is it wrapped in?
This one is an ATR-42. It's due for maintenance. Its engines are due for overhaul. So as you see it, all the engines have been removed for overhaul, and there are some C checks tests are due.
I see.
Yeah.
Very good. What kind of turboprop aircrafts here do we see mostly when we are talking about African aviation?
At Wilson, we have more than caravans. Caravans, there are more than 100 caravans. You come to Beechcraft B200, they are there. We come to the Let's 410, they are there. There are quite a number, with Dash 8s, Q400, Q300. Yeah.
Very good. So the LET is the plane, the blue.
The blue one, the Let 410 UVP. Yeah.
Who manufactures this plane?
It's a Russian manufactured.
It's a Russian manufactured airplane. So, and the majority of planes that you see here at Wilson, are they manufactured in Europe or in America? Do we have any manufacturer in Africa?
None. In Africa, we don't have none. All our support comes from Europe and America.
I see.
Yeah.
So, is the LET, would you say, is the only exception when it comes to Russian-made airplanes?
They are the only exceptional ones. None other than that ones.
How easy is it to find aircraft parts for the LET?
For the LET, it's quite difficult. You have to go all the way to Ukraine and Russia. Otherwise, globally, none.
Very good.
Yeah.
We appreciate your time. And
thank you.
It's been a pleasure meeting you and giving us the tour of Wilson Airport.
Mr. Aliong'o, for your supplying us with spares, and keep up with the good work.
Thank you very much. And it's been a pleasure working with you, and we'll continue partnering and elevating African aviation together.
Pleasure too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.